A beautiful card. It's Mother's Day. It's so pretty. It says, our home is filled with fun times, happy memories, laughter, and love, all because of you. Happy Mother's Day. Then there's a little note on the side. Use these gifts to find the old Asia that is buried under the burden of motherhood. P.S. Your job is way harder than mine. I love you, baby. And then that's the kissy face. It's so funny because he used these same kissy faces in the letters we wrote to each other when he was in boot camp. So that's hilarious. And when he says burden, don't take it as if like I regret being a mother or anything, or if the whole motherhood is a burden, because it's not. But there is the burden where you feel like you're losing yourself. Like I always say that to him sometimes. Sometimes I feel like I'm just so tied up in being a mother that I don't remember who I was before being a mother. So that's what he meant by that. So that's so special. So you want me to do the big one first? Okay. Oh crap. I'm about to be fighting. These are like punching bag things, right? Oh lordy. Okay. That's one gift. Which one you want me to do next? The big one? Oh man. Another like kick bag or something? Which one next? This one? Gloves, training combo. Oh, looks like I'm about to be tired. This one. Oh, these are the gloves. These are cute. Pink, match my outfit. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Don't mess with me. I'm about to be in here. Just in case somebody's mouth get a little slick. Oh yeah. Oh. Make it look good. Be in here. Okay. These is perfect for my outfit. These are cute. Alright, which one?
Anyone now.
This one, set this closer. Mouthpiece. Who in my mouth is it? Somebody got beef? I'm confused. Oh my goodness. And hand wraps. Alright. So it looks like I'm about to be in the gym.
And they didn't see what was outside.
What's outside? Let's go and see what's outside. Oh my goodness. He's trying to have me in shape. Yeah, we out here. Thank you, baby, and the babies. Thank you. Definitely